Today's video is regarding HP Officejet Pro 8025 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the ink replacement. So we are going to replace the ink cartridges. First step is to switch on the printer. Ink cartridge chamber door is here. So this is the front door we have to open first. And this is the ink cartridge chamber door. So lift this whole section up and it will hold itself. To remove the ink cartridges, press the lock and take the ink cartridge out. Just do it for all ink cartridges one by one. To install the new ink cartridge, simply place the ink cartridge like this and press it down once it is in its position. You will match the color and the alphabets. Press it down. Once we install all the ink cartridges, we simply have to press the door down and it will lock itself. Once you see the main screen, that means your printer is ready and ink cartridges are installed properly. Thanks for watching.